In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer under $1,000 that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2. The FLASHFORGE Creator Pro 2 is a dual-nozzle 3D printer designed for versatile and high-quality printing. Its dual extruder system allows for two-color 3D printing or the use of water-soluble support materials like HIPS or PVA, enabling better handling of overhangs. The printer features a multifunctional printing chamber with a closable door and removable cover, providing an enclosed workspace ideal for ABS printing and an open setup for PLA printing, with ventilation and cooling options for enhanced results. This enclosed design also helps prevent dust and foreign particles from entering the workspace. It is equipped with easy-to-use slicing software, FlashPrint, which has a user-friendly interface suitable even for beginners. The printer offers a maximum build volume of 200 by 148 by 150 mm, a heated bed, and supports various materials like PLA, Pearl PLA, ABS, and ABS Pro. It includes connectivity options like USB and SD card and supports multiple file types. Compact yet functional, it is designed to deliver precision with a resolution of plus or minus 0.2 mm and a nozzle diameter of 0.4 mm, making it a reliable choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 2. QIDI Plus for 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology X Plus for 3D printer is a high-performance device designed for both professionals and beginners, offering a large print size of 12 by 12 by 11 inches and high-speed Core XY printing for efficient and precise results. It features a second-generation active chamber heating system with 400W ultra-high heating power, dual-layer insulation, and air circulation for balanced temperatures, reducing warping and improving print quality. With an upgraded 80W high-temperature hot end capable of reaching 370 degrees Celsius, it supports a wide range of high-temperature filaments such as PPSCF, PPACF, GF, ABS, ASA, PC, PA, and PET. The printer is user-friendly, allowing setup in just 10 minutes and offering remote printing, real-time progress tracking, and monitoring via the QIDI mobile app or QIDI Studio Slicer. It also includes features like filament wrap and break detection, an HD camera for remote monitoring, and time-lapse photography. Built with durability in mind, it incorporates an independent dual motor-driven Z-axis, a thickened aluminum hotbed platform, and upgraded linear shafts and lead screws for enhanced precision and stability. Additionally, the X Plus supports multicolor printing with its integrated filament cutter and compatibility with the upcoming QIDI Box automatic feeding system. Number 3. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. The Creality K1 Max is a high-speed, large-format FDM 3D printer designed for rapid prototyping, custom part creation, and large object printing, boasting a build volume of 300 by 300 by 300 mm and a printing speed of up to 600 mm per second. This user-friendly, ready-to-use printer incorporates AI elements, including a camera and LiDAR, for automated monitoring, error detection, and process optimization, alongside hands-free bed leveling and calibration. It features an upgraded Z-axis for precision, can handle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, and includes an air purifier for a safer environment. Connectivity is provided via Wi-Fi or Ethernet, allowing remote monitoring and control. Compatible with a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, and PETG, the K1 Max is suitable for both individual users and 3D printer farms. Number 4. Entina X40 V3 3D Printer. The Entina X40 V3 is a high-performance 3D printer featuring an independent dual extruder design that supports for printing modes, including dual material, single material, duplication, and mirror mode. With a large build volume of 11.8 inches by 11.8 inches by 15.7 inches, 300 by 300 by 400 mm, it offers ample space for versatile 3D printing creations and supports a wide range of materials such as PLA, ABS, TPU, PETG, nylon, and more. The printer is equipped with advanced features like an intelligent auto-leveling system, a 32-bit motherboard with a TMC2208 silent driver for quiet operation, and a PEI spring steel magnetic platform for easy model removal. It also includes smart Wi-Fi printing capabilities via the Polo Print Cloud app, a built-in camera for monitoring prints remotely, and compatibility with popular slicing software like Cura and Simplify 3D. The user-friendly 4.3-inch touchscreen enhances the operation experience, and the printer is backed by excellent customer service with a 30-day return policy, a 24-month warranty, and lifetime technical support. Number 5. QIDI Max 3 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology X Max 3 is a high-performance, large-format 3D printer designed for both professionals and beginners. It features a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second, 20,000 mm s² acceleration, and a spacious printing size of 325 by 325 by 315 mm, fully assembled and equipped with auto-leveling. It operates on Clipper firmware and a Core XY structure for efficient and precise printing. Built for stability and durability, it boasts an all-metal frame, a 6 mm aluminum heatbed plate, and robust components like hardened steel linear shafts. The printer supports a wide range of materials, including standard filaments like PLA and ABS, as well as specialty materials like carbon fiber and glass fiber. Its enclosed chamber heating system, dual cooling fans, input shaping, and pressure advance ensure high-speed, high-precision results for intricate designs and prototypes. The X Max 3 also includes open-source Clipper firmware, QIDI software for remote control, and 2 hot-end kits for added versatility. With its advanced features and reliable performance, it's an excellent choice for various 3D printing needs.